Welcome to today's ProPlate TM demo. In this session, we'll walk you through the process of creating a specification and the different features available on the Spec Management screen in ProPlate TM. Click on the Spec Management option in the navigation sidebar to open Spec Management. If you're adding a spec under an existing spec author, click Add New Spec Number to populate the spec author field during spec creation. Click the Create Spec button to begin creating a new spec under a new spec author. For this demo, we'll use this method. Click on the author name field and enter the name of the spec author. For this demo, we'll place the specification under the tutorial video spec author. Next, enter the specification number. This helps with locating the spec when multiple specifications exist under the same author. For this demo, we'll use Spec 1 as the specification number. Click on the Division dropdown to bring up the list of available divisions in the system. This determines where the spec can be applied during part creation. For this demo, we'll select the electroplating division from the list. To create a specification, you must add at least one process. Click the Process Type dropdown to view all the available processes within the selected division. For this demo, we'll start by selecting the plating process. After selecting the process, you must complete the required fields to add it to the spec. Start with the plate type. Click the drop-down to view the options. For this demo, we'll choose zinc nickel alkaline as the plate type. The next required field is Thickness Min in the Thickness Min Max section. Click the drop-down to select from the available thickness values. For this demo, we'll select 0.015 from the list. Another required field is the Scale dropdown. Click to view and select a unit of measurement for thickness. For this demo, we'll select inches from the list. To add more processes to the specification, click the Assign Process Type S button. In this demo, we'll add both the baking and chromate processes. For the baking process, the bake hours field is optional, but we'll complete it for this demo. We'll enter 8 hours for baking in this demo. For the chromate process, selecting a chromate type is required. Click the drop-down to view available options. For this demo, we'll select Clear Passivate from the list. Click the Create button to open the process flow for the specification when attached to a part. You can rearrange the process tiles in the flow window by clicking and dragging them to your desired position. Once you're satisfied with the process flow, click Save Process Flow. This will finalize and save the new specification in the system. Click the Edit option to return to the specification screen. In this demo, we covered how to create a specification in Spec Management in ProPlate TM. If you have any questions or need assistance, contact us at support@proplate.pro. To learn how ProPlate TM can benefit your company, reach out to schedule a demo.